Today we're doing something different. We decided to get rid of our boring, regular old doorknobs, the round ones, and do something a little bit sturdier, a little bit nicer looking. Just gonna be something quick and simple.
Yeah, quick and simple.
Yes.
Well, we've already done one off camera, and I said, we should probably go get the camera. We're just changing them from knobs to levers.
Levers.
Lever.
Love it or lever it.
Love it or lever it. So, this is a linen closet in our bathroom, and we have changed this one out now to the lever style doorknob.
Lever.
In nickel finish. And it's actually called Camelot, which is really funny. So we are going to be doing several kind of small-ish little remodel upgrades to the house this year. We've been here 2 years.
She says they're smallish.
Well, I say they're smallish, yes. And we're going to be doing some drapes and some painting, and...
Here are the new ones. Right there.
And what else were we doing? Oh.
You have to tell me.
Fancy,
I'm just here to do the work.
We will be ripping out this bathtub because it's just brobdingnagian and totally useless, and don't mind the cat toy down here that got demolished last night in the cat fight. Yeah. Well, we'll get more into this when we actually do it. Look at this sweet baby. We don't show you our indoor kitties. That is Nixelflix. Hi, Nixie.
You are bugging me.
Hi, Nixie kitty. She's like, what is that thing? What is that thing? She's responsible for the wrecking of the greenhouse. Doorknobicus.
Old doorknobs. Right here. That part right there is smaller than your average current model, normal, standardized doorknob. So
and it only has this like a little circle thing around it.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a plate. So we have to make room for the plate.
Christy bought one of these fancy kits that you can use to make that hole wider. So all it is right there is a hole saw. But you have to put that on there first, and that gives you the exact spot to do the hole saw. So now I got to screw that in so it stays in place. In place.
Because I thought this was going to be an easy little project that I could do a few doorknobs a day and have it done and taken care of while he's at work.
Nope.
But no.
But
no. And then the mechanism on the old ones has like a C shape in there that turns it, whereas the new ones have a little tiny square post. So it wasn't like I could leave this part in the door and just turn, just change the knobs.
Don't like where that one.
That didn't work. Hi, girlies. Hi, girlies.
Yay, that works. Okay. So, we did have a template.
We had what?
We had a template
Do you want
to
that?
put the plate in, and it had a little do-it-yourself Dremel type bit to it. That didn't work so well. So we are just going to use a chisel. I turned on the vacuum.
Mhm. Yeah, like first time in like 20 years. That's not true. Around the holidays, used to vacuum because I was at work.
You worked?
Yeah, right.
What
Oh, that
are you doing?
putting this on there.
You might want to put it on
Oh
the
yeah, I
other
might
way.
want to put it on the other way. That was funny. Well, I am putting this on here.
We're going to put them on so they're facing down.
Yeah.
Down.
Camera
Facing
facing
door
handles.
handles.
Okay, so
Okay. Well, we're not worried about whether they're straight or not yet. We're not doing that part.
okay,
I'm doing this part.
okay, do that part. You do that part then.
I'm
If you're
doing
doing
that
it,
part.
then you better do it.
I better do it. So I've estimated, depending on how long this takes, which now I know how long this takes, it should take us about 42 hours to finish the rest.
No, because you're gonna get
No,
faster.
dummy.
You're gonna get faster with each one that you do.
Go like, oh, I don't care anymore. Here, just. Yeah.
Hmm. Locks.
Sure, take the easy one.
They're both easy.
Nope. Now we're putting the long screws in the back.
So I don't know when it stops. Yeah, we have to do it all over again. On a different door this time though. But this is the before and that's the after. So way better. Way better. And now we just have to do it
41 more times.
9 more times. Very nice indeed.
Indeed.
All right.
Huzzah.
So we gotta go do chores and then we can work on more doorknobs.
I can still see the camera. Can you see me?
I can see you.
Hello.
I can see you.
Hi.
I.
Alright, so we're going to keep going on with this. I just need my faithful assistant to bring me the equipment.
The equipment. I just have to get out from behind the tripod.
Oh, jeez. Technicalities.
All right. So here are your 2 screws, my lord.
Thank you, thank you. I shall
And
proceed
here
to
is-
stick them on my mouth.
Here's your screechy thing.
That thing, yes, yes. It's
Yes,
kind of
indeed.
important. It's one of those important things you want to have.
Most important thing.
Right there. Now, we did have a,
We do still have it.
yeah, we had something to make it supposedly easy to go ahead and install these things. It also came with a drill bit and everything, but I've been just freehanding it the last several because it turned out being a little bit easier. The screw holes on that aren't the exact same place as the screw holes on this, so it kind of caused a little bit of a problem when you're putting the screws in. What I'm doing instead is once I drill the hole, I'm putting this in here, getting it nice and level. I'm going ahead and screwing it in, and then I have to reset the plate right here. So I'm actually doing that with a wood chisel, which is
Let me
always
get the camera
fun
around.
to watch for the first few seconds, and then after that you're like,
That's what super speed's for.
super speed.
So
Yeah,
it's
see right
this
there?
hole there that needs to be larger.
Yep.
And he's already drilled that.
I already did it.
And I already vacuumed up the sawdust.
That's right. Door dust?
Door dust.
The door dust.
The door dust.
Oh, now I'm nervous.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. I'm just saying it.
Because there's a camera on this.
Yeah. That's the first step now. again, we had basically just a piece of plastic that showed you where you need to drill, and we also
This
had
little router bit
a
thing.
little router bit thing you could put in here. It didn't really work so well. So I'm just doing it old school manually with a chisel.
Chiseling it.
Chiseling it.
Chiseling it.
And no, I have never chiseled my thumb.
Yeah. Just make sure you don't.
This will be the one time I do on camera.
Mm-hmm. Turn it into a horror film.
Flim.
Film.
Horror
I was
flim.
gonna say flick and film, and it came out
Horror flickum.
flickum. Horror flickum. And this is the linen closet in our second bathroom, which is where I keep the vacuum cleaner, the floor steamer, and the carpet cleaner, and all of our cleaning products.
An occasional sneaky cat.
An occasional sneaky cat, yes. This is just the two of us. We don't have that many linens. We have another linen closet in the other bathroom, and that's where all our sheets and towels and everything are, so. Had to have a place to put the vacuum.
Yep.
So see, he's just using the
Chisel.
plate as his guide to where he needs to chisel.
Ah, yes, it's just like dinner. My plate is my guide.
Your plate is your guide. And because it's a bathroom, there's a toilet right there. Which is why I was filming from the other direction, but
I don't want to get the toilet in the film.
I know I didn't want
And then
to.
she turns around and does it anyways.
Yeah, well, you know. This is a much better angle. I can see what you're doing. And there's a toilet right there.
Well, since we're at it.
Yeah, it's a nice hair day.
Yeah.
No hat, no ponytail. Just hair.
No, nothing. Just hair. Hair today, gone tomorrow.
And I was gonna say we're barefoot, but you're wearing oddly matched socks.
How many people know what socks these are?
You're getting good at that.
And those of you who
Yoo-hoo.
know your construction, your carpentry, and all that kind of stuff, yes, this isn't a fantastic quality door, but hey, it's good enough for inside.
Well, I'm pretty sure the middle of it is hollow. And it's not solid wood, that's for sure.
Nope.
But I like the look of them
Yeah.
with the arch at the top.
Alright, let's see how we did. It's getting there. Right there.
Yep.
I think I gotta do the bottom more. Bottom needs more clearance. That should do it.
You got the screws?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, use those till you find the right ones. That'll work.
I like the left ones.
Oh. Hey, Zeusy. Hi, Mr. Zeus Man. You coming to see what's happening? Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Come here, Zeus.
There's a drill. There's power tools.
Zeus.
It's almost like it's catching there. I don't know. See, it's definitely
It's
loose. It's definitely loose.
Definitely.
That didn't tighten anything. Your trick screwdriver. But they sure look good.
Screwed
That's
up
the only
in
one
front
that's
of a live studio audience.
right. A live studio audience. Well, that's a conundrum.
What that means.
You have to take it apart.
We'll take it apart, flip it around,
Flip it around.
and then flip it around a second time, try and trick it.
No,
Yeah.
it's not gonna work.
If we flip it twice, maybe
No, I
it'll be
think
like,
there's probably
oh, okay.
just something in there.
There's nothing in here.
Okay, doorknob, behave yourself.
It's not going to behave itself. Okay,
So far, so good.
Turn
You
it.
Turn it down.
Yep, turn it down.
Turn it
leave her
down. Lever down. Push the lever down and lever down.
Okay, that's it. That's the right spot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know. I won't.
What the heck?
Because my
I swear that
screwdriver's broken.
screwdriver messes with you. Because you just put a screw in. Why was it the other direction?
Yeah. Got it?
It's a trick screwdriver.
As you can see, the door handle's already stuck down.
In the down position.
Yep.
Because I'm holding it.
That's irrelevant.
Ding dong. Oh my goodness. Okay. Time for... See if it passes the final test. Ready? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Very strange. Okay. It is what it is.
Yes. You know what that is right there?
What?
I don't know.
I'm sure I don't
This
either.
this is homestead suspense.
Yeah, right. I don't know. That's weird. We'll see you next time on Nice Home Farms, where we obviously do not know what we're doing, but we're doing it
We
anyway.
got the first 1,638,412 done correctly.
Yes, we did, and they all work.
They all worked fine. Just not this one.